Hey, wonderfuls. Y'all know how when our girl Beyonce gets a hold to something, it's a whole new sound for me. Yes, indeed. Beyonce makes country sound good. Not that it didn't sound good before for those who were fans of country music, but to me, she makes country sound real good. You know B knows how to do it. You all have got to check out her two songs that she dropped from the Renaissance Act 2. Yes, Texas hold down time. Yes, indeed. The tone is beautiful. Her delivery is spot on. She is off the hook with this song, and I'm telling you, the country has come forth in a whole new way for me. I mean, I liked some country songs and music, but never has it opened my eyes like this before. When you hear someone as talented and as variety oriented as B is in any song, in any genre, when you hear the person who knows how to go from A to Z in any tonation, in any note, you all, this is it. Check it out. Beyonce makes country sound real good. To me, y'all, not saying it wasn't before for all those country music fans out there, but for me, y'all, Beyonce makes country sound real good. Check it out. Talk to you later.